Say hi everyone, we're back here in, what is this? North Mountain. We're gonna back to trail again. Ginger is back to the trail. She's so happy. So let's go hiking. We are here in Maxine, Lakin, nature. Here in what you call that? Phoenix Mountain Preserve with Ginger Root. She's thirsty already. Are you thirsty? You drink like almost a cup. So I think Ginger's tired. She wanna go home, but see, the sunset is beautiful today. Okay, my love, you wanna go home or you wanna hike more up? Come on, we can try. We'll try first. Come on, up. Wanna go up? You're tired? You wanna go home or you wanna hike more? Hike more, my love, or go home? I think she's tired. She's old. Ginger getting old. Ginger decided to hike here. Yeah, this is also just like a trail. It's easy for her, flat. So she's very smart girl. Ginger smart girl. Look at the mountain over there, beautiful too. Good job, Ginger Root. We made it. We made it back safe. See? Thank you, everyone. We'll see you on our next trail.